We're going to need 2 sticks the same size and a type of cord, and then you tie them together. Next, you're going to cross them to make an X. Like that. Now you are going to get another stick and then start putting it underneath. Until you close it to the top. I'll be back with another part. That the sticks are all in here, you're going to use your cord to, you can use cordage as well. You're going to tie the links, I mean the knots, whatever that's called. Just to make it stronger, you know. Alright, so you guys need to find a T-bone stick, and then you need to put it over here. You need to get a flexible stick, like a green one. You're going to put it through this hole over here. Can you go around, please? And then you need to kind of find balance and then like twist this stick around the T-bone one. Put this another stick over here. Hopefully it will stay. It's not very easy, but yes. Okay, now what you have to do is put other smaller sticks over here. You put the food underneath, maybe seeds, whatever you have, and when the animal goes in there to eat, it will step on the sticks and it will be caught in the trap. Look what we caught!